Hi, friends, it's Mrs. Jared again from East Washington Academy. We've been lurking and using our finger when we're decoding some words that appear to be very big. Now, today I'm going to tell you about letters that need to stay together. They are called digraphs. Those are two letters that make a sound that is different from the two letters themselves, such as TH makes the th sound or SH, shh. If you see those in the middle of a word and you're going through it, don't split them up because they are connected and making their own sound. Now, let's look at the first of the three words that are below. I have a TH. Oops, I'm not going to break those up because I know Mrs. Jared said, there's a digraph, keep it together. I'm going to start with my finger on the G and I'm going to go gather. Bingo, I've got the first word. Now, the second word has two vowels that are the same. Those two don't have a connection that way, like a digraph does, so we're going to break those apart. Let's look at it. It looks to me as it's going to go burrow. Burrow. That would be where a animal lives underground like a rabbit. And finally, I don't care much for snakes, but it looks like it starts with an SL. I don't want to break those apart, and I certainly am not going to break the TH apart. That's going to go slither like a snake. So now it is time for you to get back to reading. Split those words, use your finger, and do your best. I know you can do it. See you soon.